Okay guys, I finished laying out the first calendar here, and I'm going to show you guys a good way I think of laying these out really quick. As you can see, I have the pictures oriented correctly. Uh, so when this is done, all we got to do is hit print. Pretty slick, right? So first, I'm going to have to show you guys how I am making the PDF for these images. So I went into Pixabay, I just downloaded a bunch to show you, and they're in this folder. So we are going to need the paths for these images. So we'll select them all. We'll hold down Shift because we're PC. On Mac, I think you can just right click and there's a way to copy the paths right there. So for me, I have to hold Shift to get the path. So I'm going to copy this path. Now I'm going to go to my spreadsheet I made. I'm using Google Sheets. You can do this in Excel. If you use Excel, I think you have to put a little mark before this like that. And that's the only difference. So right now I have it sorted by column B. You go data, sort, column B, A to Z. And now we're going to paste our images, and since these are sorted, this is going to paste in and it'll correspond to the correct month. There you can see here September, September, all that good stuff. And now I'm going to sort. I have a little order here just so I can sort it again, and it goes cover and then the order of the months. And now that we have that, we can get our CSV, which is how InDesign likes to read variable data. So I'm going to save this as a CSV. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it into the same folder that I put these images. Now that we have that, we can make a new sheet, and we're going to make this 11 by 8.5 for the half with the pictures in this. So I'm going to go to the master page. I'm going to make a box for the images, and I'm going to make a box just to show you guys how the text works as well. So I'm going to go up to Window, Utilities, Data Merge, and here you get to pick your data source, and that is going to be the CSV we made. And as you can see here, there are three things, and that's because over here in our sheet we got three columns, and they are named by this. So images are going to be images, right? So we'll go in here. Actually, first we're going to go to content placement options, and we're going to do fill frames proportionally. And we're just going to drag this into here. And we're going to drag the description of that, I guess. Or it didn't work. Make a new box. And since we're in that, we're just going to click that, and the description is going to go in. But we don't want that in our PDFs. I'm just going to use that for the to show you guys how the text works. So we don't want printing, so you go into Output, Attributes to get this panel to make stuff non-printing. So this here is going to be non-printing now. Just got that clicked. So now that's set up, guys, we just hit this button here to create our merge document. All records, single, and we hit OK. And now we have all these pages with our calendar ready to go. You might want to go here and look at how each one is individually cropped, make sure nothing's done poorly, I guess, but for the most part they're going to look good. So we're going to take this and we're going to export it as a PDF to replace our other one. And I'll just call this test 4 for now. And just 2001, I guess. We don't have bleeds or want any marks, so we're going to export that. And now you see here we're linked to test PDF2. So we're going to go in, and yeah, we're linked to this right now. So we're going to rename it. Just something random. And here's the one we just made, I think. So we're going to rename that to test2. Then go back to our document here. And look what happens when I double click to relink this. We have a new calendar ready to go. Pretty slick, huh? On the back of the calendar, the last 2 pages, we need 2 filler pages, so I'm going to do a mini calendar for 2008, I'm thinking. And maybe we can do some feel-good thing here, so ideas for that is cool. And that is the way I'm thinking to do this as fast as we can. It's good because it gives us these little calendar pictures here on the back as well. I don't think you can do that if we do it through Dynastrip. And that is how I think we should do this. All we have to do now is hit print and we're good to go. Thanks for watching.